In the second question, we will look at the definitions of properties of the stochastic processes. First, we look at wide sense stationary. We need the expectation to be a constant and autocorrelation function to be a function of tau only. And second, we look at independent increment process. The definition is like this. So we have this function for any non-overlapping intervals, and we can find that independent increment implies uncorrelated increments, and Poisson process and random walk is independent increment, and also linear process. Then third, Markov process. The present is known and the past has no influence on the statistics of the future for any n and time. We have which is for any n and t1, t2, tn. We have this function, and so we have a Markov process can be determined by its second-order probability masses, and Poisson process, semi-random telegraph signal, random telegraph signal, random walk, linear process are all Markov processes. Fourth, normal process. Xt is said to be normal if the random variables are jointly normal for any n and any t1, t2, tn, and it is completely determined in terms of the expectation function and the autocorrelation function. And the fifth, the strict sense stationary process. Strict sense stationary process is that its statistics is not affected by a shift on time axis. So we have this formula. So we have some conclusions. Sequence of IID random variables is SSS, and it's a function of x, not of t, and its second order is that it's a function of tau, because it may change only when tau changes, and SSS implies WSS if this exists, and we have XT is normal and WSS can imply XT is SSS. And sixth, white noise. VT is a white noise. Usually we assume it's zero mean if its autocorrelation function is in this relation, and this value at different times are nearly independent, actually uncorrelated. Seventh, mean ergodic process. And next is mean ergodic if we have this formula, and xt must be a constant. For example, xt equals to eta, and we have some conclusions, and xt is Western stationary, and its c tau has these properties. Then xt is mean ergodic, and it's helpful to use this to find whether WSS is mean ergodic process. And that's all. Thank you.